It's time to make parsley smoothie again, so now I'm putting 2 bunches of parsley along with some celery and 4 bananas and lemon juice into my blender. It's May 6th. I'm gonna go to Big Lots again. I practically go here every day, but I got another coupon I gotta use before it expires tomorrow. This store has nothing available inside that I could find, so I'm gonna head out. I just bought my case here and a pouch for it, and we're good to go along with this screen protector. So I'm happy about this. He did a good service. He's Iranian, and if I have any problems, I'll come back to him. There must be a sale going on at Target. There's so many people in line. I'm gonna check to ask what's happening. Maybe there's a humongous sale happening. Hi guys. Is there like a sale going on here, or what's the big line for?
Just lining up. And certain people go in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Whatever it is.
How long have you been waiting?
5 minutes.
Oh, so it's pretty quick?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Good. So I bought this Sony camcorder.
Yep.
How old do you think it is?
I want to say it's late 90s or early 2000s, because mini DV, that's when it started kind of.
So it's almost 20 years old, huh?
Yeah, pretty much. Maybe.
But it looks brand new.
Take good care of your stuff. It's always going to be brand new.
Great. So you're my first Let Go
Yes, sir. Indeed, I am.
seller. That's great.
Yeah.
So good experience. I'll give you a good review.
Yeah, I'll give you.
All right. Nice to meet you. What was your name again?
Philippe.
Philippe. Jason. Take care.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Bye. That was good timing.
was
Wow, nice haircut. I'm gonna have to get a haircut like that too.
No, I did it like the day after I.
Oh, really?
I'm so tired.
So did you do it yourself?
Yeah, I have clippers. I had Max do like around the ears and the back.
I'll have my friend do the sides too then.
Yeah, it's not hard. I use the same
Number
size
2 or something.
Yeah, number 4.
Number
yeah.
4. Okay, that's what I'll do tomorrow then. My project.
Yeah, but your hair's a little different.
Well, I guess I'll get a short one because you never know when they'll open.
I know.
So we're gonna go shop at Big Lots, huh? Did we find $40 worth of food?
Yes.
That's good. Between both of us, we were able to find $40. Now I'm gonna make some pie. I put in almond butter, buckwheat powder, and I'm gonna add water now. I'm just following the recipe. This is gonna be 3 pies. I got 3 pie bowls there, and it's gonna be pretty good. Now I gotta mix these ingredients together to make the crust. Now that I got the flour and the dough created, I'm gonna put it into the pies. I finished the dough for the first one. Now I got 2 more to spread out. This only has almond butter, buckwheat powder, and quick oats, along with some salt and almond flavored almond oil. 2 down and 1 to go. I got my banana cream here. I put in some cashews and arrowroot and also almond milk, and I'm gonna blend this up and then I put dates in too, so that's gonna be that, and I'll add bananas on top. You need pineapple juice for the apple pie, so I'm gonna measure out 6 ounces of that. You want to add some cardamom, cinnamon, and arrowroot, and of course pineapple juice. I added some arrowroot. Now I'm going to add some buckwheat powder on top, and then I'm going to add the pineapple juice to moisten it up. Here we go. I messed up, so I have to mix up the apples before I put it into the pie. I just realized. This is the berry pie. I got raspberries, blueberries. I mixed it with arrowroot and also buckwheat flour. Now I have my pies in the oven. I gotta wait about 1 hour now. Here's a better view. This is the apple, banana, and berry. Here's the final product of my raspberry, banana, and apple pies. They look to be pretty good. I'm just gonna wait now and cool them off. They were in the oven for 1 whole hour, and they will be ready tomorrow morning.